Unlock the kitchen magic, hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Life hack, maintain the softness of cookies. This trick ensures that cakes, cookies, and muffins maintain their day one freshness, fooling friends and family into thinking they're freshly baked. Life hack, create your own mason jar shakers with a personal touch. Elevate your bulk spices and baking essentials with a charming touch by repurposing Parmesan shaker lids onto small mason jars for a convenient and cute sprinkling and measuring solution. Explore crafting homemade spice blends, such as taco seasoning. Life hack, cut steak fries. Make restaurant-style potato wedges at home by stabilizing a potato, using an apple slicer, seasoning to taste, and optionally trying the recipe with sweet potatoes. Life hack, chill a soup base. Preserve the essence of farmers market vegetables year-round by freezing them in resealable bags during peak season, and create a versatile mirepoix soup starter with a 2:1 ratio of onion, carrot, and celery for delightful, long-lasting flavors in your soups and broths. Life hack, utilize sheet pans as trays. Unlock the versatility of sheet pans beyond dinner by using them for efficient and organized meal prep, discovering expert tips from professional chefs to make food preparation a breeze. Life hack, employ your Lazy Susan. Optimize your baking setup by placing icings, sugars, and sprinkles on a Lazy Susan for a fun and organized decorating session. Avoiding the hassle of digging through the back of the cabinet, consider adding cookie decorating tools to enhance your kitchen arsenal. Life hack, utilize your oven for proofing. Boost the proofing of homemade bread by placing the dough in the oven without turning it on, and create warmth and humidity by putting a pan of simmering water below the dough for an effective rise. Life hack, freeze individual portions of sauces. Master upcycling by freezing homemade sauce in egg cartons, offering a practical alternative to ice trays. Freeze basil parsley pesto leftovers in cubes, transferring them to a resealable freezer bag for easy use after a 2-hour thaw in the fridge. Life hack, soften the butter. Forget to bring butter to room temperature for your recipe? No worries, cut it into cubes and let it sit on the counter for about 20 minutes to quickly soften it. Life hack, stop bowls from slipping. Get an extra hand in the kitchen by placing a damp dish towel under your mixing bowl or cutting board to prevent slipping and sliding. A pro tip from culinary school. Life hack, rapidly cool wine. Ensure your sparkling wine stays cold by immersing the bottle in ice water with salt in a tall pitcher, turning it every few minutes for a quick 20-minute chill, and discover budget-friendly, sommelier-approved sparkling wines under $20 for toasting. Life hack, achieve golden brown air-fried food. Enhance the golden hue of your air-fried food by giving it a quick spritz of cooking spray before cooking, achieving the perfect crisp without excess grease. Life hack, maintain ice cream freshness. Prevent your chunky monkey ice cream from melting on the road by wrapping the pint in plastic bubble wrap, ensuring it stays firm for hours, and explore 10 lesser-known ice cream brands worth trying. Life hack, elevate the appearance of frozen rolls to seem homemade. Enhance frozen rolls by thawing, brushing with egg wash, and dipping in your choice of seasonings, seeds, or cheeses before baking. And for an impressive touch, explore our favorite recipes for homemade bread rolls. Life hack, quickly bring eggs to room temperature. For optimal baking, use room temperature ingredients unless stated otherwise. If you forget to take eggs out in time, place them in warm water for a few minutes. Life hack, label jars economically. Quickly label your mason jars with rubber bands for easy identification, preventing mix-ups and enjoying the added benefit of making the jars easier to open, showcasing why rubber bands are the ultimate low-key kitchen tool. Life hack, halt the need for stirring peanut butter. Prevent oil separation in natural peanut butter by storing the jar upside down. When ready to use, turn it right side up to make stirring easier, offering a simple solution for a smoother peanut butter experience. Life hack, prevent cheese from sticking. Simplify grated cheese prep and cleanup by using a quick spritz of cooking spray on your grater to prevent sticking, making it a game changer compared to pre-shredded options. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.